channel of me is Xiaomi 12, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose apps over here. Then choose dual apps and click on create. Following that, tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Amazon Shopping. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, I need to choose turn on in the pop-up and wait. Now when I go back, as you can see, my Amazon app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!